Hi guys, my name is Tara. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna make barbecue eggplant dip. It's a lot of vegetables in it and it's healthy. It's really good. Let's go to my kitchen and make it. Okay guys, we're gonna start making the barbecue eggplant dip. So we're gonna just barbecue the eggplant. First we make a couple holes in it so it will cook better. And then we put it on top of the stove. It's 5 to 6 minutes to cook. Okay guys, I think it's ready. So we're gonna start taking the skin off. I will take the skin off. I will leave a little bit skin on it, so I like that smoky taste. It's very hot. Okay. So now I take the head off. It smells so good. Smoky smell. This barbecue eggplant dip, it's from North Irani food. This is like an appetizer. They was making the smoked eggplant on top of charcoal. Oh my god, this smells so good. Tastes very good too. Okay, this is now good. It's just a little bit hot. You have to leave it about few minutes to get cooled down before you mixing the vegetables in it. This is cooled down completely. I leave it few minutes in the fridge. So it's because I'm mixing fresh vegetables in it. I like the vegetable has that crunchiness inside. This is Persian cucumber that is already I chopped it. Orange bell pepper, red bell pepper, yellow and green one. You can mix any vegetables you want, but I love this bell pepper in it. Now I'm gonna mix garlic paste that I already pasted. This is paprika, dry mint, black pepper, salt. Each one like you can put a teaspoon. And this is walnuts. I grind my walnuts too. Before it was like that, then I grind it. I put 3 tablespoons. You can put as much as you want. I love actually lots of walnuts in it. And this is sour cream. You can put yogurt, sour cream, and if you like to put mayonnaise, you can put mayonnaise, but I love sour cream. So I put also 3 spoons of sour cream inside too. This is pomegranate paste. And I'm gonna mix pomegranate paste also like maybe 4 spoons of that, and then we will see if I need more. I will put more. And then the pomegranate juice, you can get it at any local Mediterranean stores, supermarket. Okay, this is now I think is ready. So you can see all the vegetables inside. Nice brown color. This is good for finger food, like when you have a guest and you want to make the dip. I will make inside empty. It's really refreshing for summer. Best and delicious finger food. I hope you guys like it and try make it at home for your family. If you like the video, please hit the like button. See you next time. Bye.